Worldwide, mangrove wetland forests are hotspots for biodiversity. Mangroves provide essential nesting grounds and food for migratory and native shorebirds, including herons, egrets, pelicans, and kingfishers. In addition to providing prime habitats for birds, mangroves provide an important range of ecosystem services, such as coastal protection, flood regulation, water purification, carbon sequestration, and nursery habitat for commercial fisheries. Mangroves occur on coastlines in tropical and subtropical climates and are subject to a variety of threats, such as pollution, deforestation, development, drought, and sea level rise. In the U.S. Virgin Islands, approximately 50% of mangrove forests have been lost over the last few decades due to these same pressures. In 2017, two Category 5 hurricanes, Irma and Maria, devastated the U.S. Virgin Islands, further contributing to the loss of mangrove forests. The Virgin Islands Department of Planning and Natural Resources is mandated to protect birds and their habitats. They are actively working to conserve, protect, and restore what remains of this precious habitat. As a result, the Horsley Witten Group, Geographic Consulting, St. Croix Environmental Association, and Birds Caribbean have teamed up to evaluate the current condition of the mangrove wetlands habitats in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Together, they are developing restoration concepts for impacted wetlands and will recommend which systems need restoration the most. Wetland ecologists are assessing the current conditions of the mangrove wetland forests. Engineers are identifying structural issues that further threaten the wetlands, and biologists are completing detailed bird surveys in important wetlands across the territory. Additionally, a series of bird identification workshops are being provided to school teachers and environmental professionals. Artists will paint murals of birds and their habitats in public spaces, like airports, to increase awareness in the community. The ultimate goal will be an evaluation of the current conditions of wetland bird habitat usage, and specific restoration plans for few key wetlands, where restoration is thought to be most impactful with long-term success. In the next few months, we will be asking for stakeholder input on how the plans can be created to benefit both human communities and the natural heritage of the U.S. Virgin Islands.